All right, time for our first drill. This is called standing for directions. Beautiful little drill. It's going to tie in all the moves that we've learned so far. That's the techniques, and that's also the basic ways that we move our body about. Here's the deal. On the street, the attack could come from any angle, and that by itself can be so overwhelming. It can cause us to freeze even if we know what we should be able to do. But for you, you're not going to care. You're not going to freeze because you've done standing for directions. Okay, big picture. You're just going to stand there like normal, and your attacker is going to give this super light pretend attack from 4 different directions. Facing them, standing sideways in one direction, standing sideways in the other direction, and then facing away from them. Okay, so why do we do this? You're training your brain to be able to handle an attack from any angle. And you're also training your brain to kick in a Terminator mode as soon as they lay hands on you. Like, that's your boundary. Before they touch you, you're going to talk your way out. But they decide to make contact, boom, you're a nuclear bomb. Now, for this drill, you're training your reflexes. This is not choreography. So don't try for perfection. Let your primal brain do all the heavy lifting. This is about moving when you feel that touch. Okay, here's the setup. Start here. You're just standing there. You're about arm's length from your attacker. You're facing them. Your hands are down. Your feet are, you're basically just standing like normal. You're calm, but alert. Let's take this first one slow. They put their hand on your shoulder, drop. Feet about 2 shoulder widths apart, if you can. You're not always going to be able to get the perfect width. You can bend at the waist just a little bit, knees are soft. One foot might be forward, the other foot might be forward, just whatever's natural. And bring your hands up. Elbows in, hands near your ears. Basically, you're protecting what's important, your head. Now again, I don't really care what this looks like. Elbows tight, elbows wide, quick little flinch. Get your whole body into it. Then, tuck your chin and dive in. It will never look pretty in real life, so just aim for the face and do the best you can. Follow with your body. Get right in close. Let's watch that again. I want you to see how close I get, and I want you to see that Brandon's body moves backward just a little bit. This isn't a full-on tackle, but I don't stop myself moving. I let his body stop my body. That way, I know I'm close enough. Think of listening to their heart, or if you're too tall for that, tuck your head in by their neck. Hey, like you're a vampire going in for a nice light snack. Here's a cute little variation. In this case, I duck and cover, but I'm so close that by the time I got my hands into position to make an actual dive, my elbows hit Brandon first. That's okay. I'm not trying to elbow him. They just get in the way. Cool, no problem. I go with it. And again, notice Brandon's body moves back just a little bit. I've hit him just a little bit. That way, I know I'm close enough. Okay, so if I duck and cover and I dive in and I apply a move, they're going to want to move away fairly quickly. I'm going to lose control of them. If I hold on to them, I'm going to have more control when they try to twist and move away. It's going to give me more time to really make that move work. It's up to you. Try holding them, try not holding them, and see what happens when you do each. Okay, and then you do that from 4 directions. Facing forward, that's your classic entry, just like we've been showing. Then sideways. Now, in this case, you're going to have to turn to face them. So turn with your feet. You don't want to twist at the waist. And then you apply your move. Could be a face wash, could be a rake. Maybe you dig the eyes. Try doing 1 to 3 of them every time you do your moves. Okay, then the other side. Same rules. Duck and cover, turn, dive in, do your technique. And the 4th direction, with your back to your attacker. This one really matters. You're going to have to move your feet more. You're going to have to turn farther. No problem. You still drop and cover. Turn, dive in, do your move. Okay, you guys are doing great. This is just a quick summary. In this exercise, you're conditioning your body to react to touch instead of the visual confirmation. Believe it or not, your body is faster than your eyes. So this is actually better. You don't need to see. And you also now don't care what direction the attack comes from. Cool, cool, cool. Stay curious, stay calm, stay smart, and stay ready. Try this and tell me how it feels in the comments. And hey, if you've got a training buddy who needs this drill in their life, pass it on. Let's make strong the new normal, eh?